Welcome to Funnels and Growth, the ultimate destination for content creators looking to unlock their potential. In today's video, I'm excited to share the fascinating story of how I built a faceless YouTube automation channel using only free AI tools. This innovative approach will revolutionize your content creation process. Don't forget to subscribe to Funnels and Growth and hit that like button to support our channel. Let's dive in. Have you ever wanted to create a YouTube channel without revealing your face? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how I built a successful faceless YouTube automation channel using the power of free AI tools. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can automate various tasks and create captivating content while remaining anonymous. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together, defining your niche and identifying your target audience. The first step in building a successful faceless YouTube automation channel is to define your niche and identify your target audience. Choose a topic that aligns with your interests and expertise, and conduct thorough research to understand your target audience's preferences. AI tools like Google Trends, Keywords Everywhere, and SEMrush can provide valuable insights and help you optimize your content for search engines. AI-powered script writing. Script writing is the foundation of engaging and informative videos. Luckily, there are free AI tools available that can assist you in generating compelling scripts. Tools like Conversion.my, Shortly AI, and Rear offer AI-generated content ideas, writing suggestions, and even keyword optimization tips. With the help of these tools, you can create scripts that captivate your audience while saving time and effort. Seamless video editing with AI. Creating visually appealing videos is crucial for capturing and retaining viewers' attention. AI-powered video editing tools can help you achieve professional-looking results without any prior editing experience. Tools like OpenShot, Shotcut, and Adobe Premiere Rush offer intuitive interfaces and features such as automatic color correction, transitions, and effects. These tools can transform your raw footage into polished, eye-catching videos. Voiceovers and Text-to-Speech. Engaging voiceovers can elevate the quality of your videos. With AI-powered text-to-speech tools, you can add high-quality, natural-sounding voices to your videos without revealing your own voice. Platforms like Amazon Poly, Google Text-to-Speech, and Microsoft Azure provide a wide range of voice options and languages, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your content. Customize the voice to match your brand and captivate your audience. Optimizing videos with AI analytics. To grow your faceless YouTube automation channel, it's essential to analyze and optimize your videos. AI analytics tools like TubeBuddy, Videc, and Social Blade offer valuable insights into video performance, keyword research, and competitor analysis. Leverage these tools to make data-driven decisions, optimize your content strategy, and maximize audience engagement. AI-powered thumbnails and channel art. Eye-catching thumbnails and channel art are vital for attracting viewers. AI tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, and Snap offer pre-designed templates and customizable elements to create visually appealing graphics. With these tools, you can design captivating thumbnails and channel art that represent your brand and entice viewers to click on your videos. Monetization and revenue generation. A successful YouTube channel deserves to be monetized. Explore different monetization methods, including advertising, sponsorships, and product promotions. Platforms like Google AdSense, Patreon, and affiliate marketing programs can help you generate revenue from your content. Remember to comply with YouTube's guidelines and create partnerships that align with your audience's interests. Engaging with your audience. Building a thriving YouTube channel goes beyond creating great content. It's also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, host live Q&A sessions, and conduct polls or surveys to encourage interaction. Cultivate a loyal community by actively listening to your viewers and providing value to their lives. Congratulations on completing this incredible journey of creating a faceless YouTube automation channel using free AI tools. By leveraging the power of AI, you can create captivating content and connect with your audience while maintaining your anonymity. Don't forget to subscribe to Funnels and Growth for more exciting content like this. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with fellow content creators. Thank you for joining me today.